what's up? This is Cash Money, aka Daniel Dhers, and this is my bike check. Starting off with the front wheel, I got a profile hub with 3/8, tie spokes 36, Alienation Deviant rim, KHE Maceto tire, Pluma signature forks. Moving on to the stem, I got a profile stem, then I got prototype bars with 6 degrees upsweep, Miracle grips as of right now, Odyssey trigger lever, SNAFU top cable. Continuing with my back wheel, I got a profile hub, 3/8, tie driver, tie everything. Then I got the new tie spokes, rainbow of course, Alienation back rim, and KHE Maceto tires. Next up, I got SNAFU Anorexia pedals, profile cranks with tie hollow spindle, 3 Sproket 25 tooth, KMC Lite chain, fly brakes, and the new Pluma seat. Coming into my frame is 2010 Maceto frame. It has removable brake tabs on the top and bottom. Also has removable gyro tabs, integrated seat clamp. It also has the tapered dropouts, and the frame is coming out, or should be already out, in stores near you.